Everyone, in today's video we will see how to set up the Xfinity Wi-Fi without Coax cable, Xfinity internet without the Coax. The step 1, check for a hidden Coax outlet. Look behind furnitures near existing cable, TV outlet or inside a utility panel. If you find one, connect the Coax cable from the wall to the Xfinity gateway. Now plug the gateway into a power and open the Xfinity app and follow the activation instructions. Step 2, if there is a no Coax outlet. A standard Xfinity gateway cannot simplify receiving the Xfinity internet signal wirelessly. So you can contact the Xfinity and request a professional installations to bring the required service connection to the home. Xfinity representatives have confirmed that a technician may have required when there is a no Coax outlet. The step 3, check whether your property has fiber. So some Xfinity properties use fiber to the unit installation instead of Coax. In this location, Xfinity may provide a pre-installed X5 fiber gateway that can be activated through the Xfinity app. If your apartment has only Ethernet port, ask the building property management or Xfinity whether the building uses a fiber or Ethernet based Xfinity installation. The last step, don't confuse on Xfinity Wi-Fi extender with the internet connection. Xfinity Wi-Fi extender boost pads connect wireless to an already activated Xfinity gateway. They cannot replace the gateway internet connection. Goodbye, thanks for watching.